Do you want to elevate your cooking skills and impress your friends and family? I've been a chef for over 30 years and I'm going to teach you 5 pro chef hacks that are going to transform your cooking and your meals overnight and take them from ordinary to extraordinary. Here we go. Hi, my name's Gary. I've been a chef for 30 years. I'm founder and one of the teachers here in Winchester, the Winchester Cookery School. Links down below in the description. And in the next 3 minutes, I'm going to teach you 5 hacks how to cook like a pro chef in the home kitchen. Ready, chaps? Let's go. Okay, first and probably the most important, quality produce. You buy quality produce, you just cook it simply and you'll have a fantastic finish. Perfect example, when you go and buy a steak, if you buy a rubbish steak from a rubbish supermarket, it's going to taste chewy, it's going to taste tough. If you go to a quality butcher's or a quality supermarket and get a dry aged steak with good ribboning through the meat, nice fat content, then cook it simply, you're going to have a great flavoured steak that's nice and juicy. So lesson 1, hack 1, good quality produce. Okay fellas, hack 2 in the kitchen, seasoning. I learned this early on as a chef. Michelin star chefs taught me to season. When I first started cooking chicken, I couldn't believe how much salt and pepper went on that chicken to give it a fantastic flavour and a fantastic finish. So make sure you're seasoning. It's a great easy fix to make everything taste fantastic in your house. Season with sea salt, black pepper, white pepper, even lemon juice. Lemon juice is perfect when you're making a sauce or a soup. Just finish it with some lemon juice and get a really nice light flavour to that dish. Season, which leads me on to hack number 3. Okay, lesson 3. I learned this from Raymond Blanc at the Manoir Cat Saisons in Oxford. Taste. And this leads on from the seasoning in the last rule. If you taste it and it needs more seasoning, season it and then taste again. Before you give any food to any customer, you need to taste it before it goes out to your guests or to customers in restaurants. Once it's left the pass or once it's left your kitchen and gone on the dining room table, they're the ones who are going to have to taste it and then do the seasoning. So before it gets to the person, the guest in your house, season it, taste again, season it again, taste again, and make sure it's perfect before it goes out your kitchen. Okay, the next one is a good one. Rule 4, and this could elevate you above chefs because I've been out for a steak 4 times in a row and it's always been overcooked, undercooked, or not hot enough. The kitchen food probe. Rule 4, probe your food to make sure it's at the perfect temperature before it goes out your kitchen and onto the dining room table. I'm going to leave a link below down to our website on a food blog where I'm going to give you all the temperatures for the perfect steak. So cook a rare steak, medium rare, medium well, no stress. Put a food probe in. I'll put the temperatures on the website so you can see how to perfectly cook a steak with a food probe, no stress, no worrying about if it's over or under. And I'll put the temperatures for cooking pork, cooking chicken. Simply slide a cheap £5 electric thermometer into your food and you know it's going to be at the perfect temperature, perfect moisture, and cooked the perfect way. Rule 4, use a food probe. Hack 5, visualize and use recipes. Okay, and last but not least, and I heard this rule from Marco Pierre White, the famous chef, visualize the finished dish before you start cooking. Visualize the finished dish before you start cooking. And for me, I think it's really important if you get a good recipe, follow the recipe, you're going to remember those processes as you cook through dishes and go through the methods of each recipe. And if you can visualize that food on the plate at the end before you even start cooking, then it's going to give you a much better chance to get what you're looking for. And that's rule 5, to cook like a pro. Follow a recipe, follow the method, and visualize the finished dish. Okay, nice, quick, and easy. Thank you for watching. These tips are going to level up your cooking at home. Game changer. It's going to make you cook like a pro. Let me know how you get on in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. And if you love a funny podcast, then check out my new podcast, the Dishy Dad Podcast, just here, or check out the next video just here. See you next time.